He took my husband. He took my best friend.
Billy Joe Blankenship's husband, Sammy. His life cut short while simply doing his job.
He was going to retire in about a year or two.
He was working a repaving job along 5920 near Bessemer late Sunday night. Bessemer police tell me workers reported hearing these orange barrels being hit, and when they looked to see what had happened, they realized that one of their co-workers had been hit by a car. Billy Joe heard her husband was hit so hard he was knocked out of his boots. Bessemer police say the driver initially stopped to check out the damage and what he hit. Witnesses told police the driver said he would call 911, but he got back in his car and drove off.
His lead man called me and told me he got hit, and I said, don't toy with me. He said, yes, he was hit. He's laying on the ground, and they fixed and take him to the hospital.
Sammy Blankenship later died. Police identified the driver as Daniel Hyde. He's been charged with felony leaving the scene of an accident. But Sammy's wife thinks that's not enough.
He's gone. I don't know why, but he's gone. He took my best friend away, and I can't. I want closure, and I can't get that right now.
While she waits for that closure, Billy Joe pleads to drivers.
If you can't get over, then slow down. But if you can, then ease over. But just pay attention, watch them, because their lives do count. They do have family.
So those families see workers come home. In Bessemer, Mary O'Connell, WVTM 13.